The new owner of Twitter, Elon Musk, has announced this week that 50% of his staff could get let go. Now, that's shocking, of course, if you work for Twitter, but it could be the catalyst that sees Dogecoin go all the way to $1. Also this week is that venture capitalist Tim Draper has doubled down on his prediction that Bitcoin could go to 250k by next year. That's 10x from where it is now. Let's get into it. So Tim Draper extends BTC price prediction by 6 months. So by the middle of 2023, I'm expecting to see Bitcoin hit 250k. So that's a year from now. So the American venture capitalist, he's very famous, is still confident that it's going to hit 250k. So I remember him saying this earlier on this year. It says he said it back in 2018, but I recall earlier this year that is the number. But he doubled down on it this week. Here we go, 13th of April. So this is back when he originally said that price. But the key is that he's continuing to think that way. Now, Tim Draper famously invested in things like Skype. He invested in things like, he invested in Twitter when they kicked off, invested in Coinbase. He's made a lot of money through tech investment. So this is his field of expertise. So the reason he said is that it's going to be easy to buy things with Bitcoin. So food, clothing, and shelter. Essentially, it'll be used what Bitcoin was always supposed to be used for, as a digital form of currency. And he believes as soon as there is a bridge to be able to use Bitcoin, that is when we will start seeing the price explode, because everybody will want to use it. So the second piece is why Twitter could prove to be the ultimate Elon Musk-backed catalyst for a $1 Doge dream. It's now about 11 cents and could be what sees it spike at 10x. So Dogecoin has gained over 100% in the last 10 days. We know that when Elon Musk tweets about Dogecoin or he says something about it, that the price can go up quickly in value, and he's been a big advocate of Dogecoin, I think because of the fun. It's exciting, it's like a meme coin, and that's part of the reason, because he has a sense of humor. He likes to back Dogecoin. So there could be suggestions that he try to integrate it into the platform. So I think that's part of the reason why the price has exploded. And this is the key bit, that the rally has put 60% of all Doge holders back in the green. Just to have a look at the price chart itself. So this is where the price was, and typically then it exploded into 2021. It went all the way up to, I think it was close to 60 cents, I remember at the time, and then we've dribbled back down. And then over the last week or so, we've seen the price explode upwards again by over 100%. So if we could go up to $1, that would be a 10x from where we are now. And just to put a little bit of dampener on things, hedge fund giant Elliott warns of looming inflation could lead to a global societal collapse. So it's quite extreme, but I read this first in the Financial Times this week. So Elliott Management Corp, which is a massive hedge fund in the US, this week they wrote a letter to their investors to say that we could be on the eve of a huge financial crash as big as the 1987 crash, the dot-com boom and bust, and the 2008 global financial crisis. So when a hedge fund as successful as Elliott Management and their economist issue a warning like this, we need to sort of sit up and take notice. At the top of the market to the bottom would be up to a 50% crash, and we're at 19%. So there could be another 31% of drops in the stock market, and we typically see that Bitcoin mirrors the price movement of the stock market. So although we're very excited at the crypto and where it's going to go over the next few years, we're going to be paying close attention to the global macro environment. And so if you stick with this channel, we're going to talk you through where we're allocating throughout the next 6 to 12 months. So until next time, catch you soon.